Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope all is well. Today I am in my downstairs bathroom, aka my powder room. I am going to show you the makeover that I did. Today's video is in collaboration with Hauschen. They had sent me this beautiful LED mirror, you guys. It is gorgeous. I am super pumped about this mirror, you guys. I cannot wait to tell you all the wonderful features about it. Hanging the mirror on the wall was a breeze. It's just when hanging any other thing, as you can see, we have two nails on the wall and that was it. My electrician added an outlet for me right behind the mirror. But if you do not want to do that, it's not a problem at all. You can just plug it in your existing outlet in the bathroom. And I would just add a flower or a decorative piece to block the cord. Later on, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the mirror. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Meanwhile, let me tell you a little bit more about the makeover. After installing the mirror on the wall, I got so excited. I added a backsplash. This is a peel and stick style that I purchased from Amazon. It is super duper pretty. I love it. I will upload a video showing you the install. Then I replaced the old faucet with a new faucet, of course in gold. I also purchased that from Amazon. Guys, I'm dealing with this green thing from the old faucet. I don't know what is it. I don't know how to get rid of it. Everything I try, nothing works out so far. If you know what is it and how to get rid of it, please put a comment below, let me know. I'm still debating what I'm going to do with the countertop. I'm thinking of doing a DIY, but I'm not sure yet. Meanwhile, I'm enjoying my new items and the transformation in the bathroom. Now it is time to decorate. Are you ready, Glam Squad? Let's hit it. This song is dedicated to all of you who told me you dance while watching my videos. If you don't dance, this music is dedicated to you as well. Get up and start dancing and release some stress. With that said, if you are new to my channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. Once again, my name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. If you like what you see so far, please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Big thank you to all of my returning Glam Squad. You know you're the best. I love you all. Please check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. The curtains is from Home Goods. I bought it a little while ago. It's not as long as I would like it to be, but it is a really good curtain. I do not want to throw away, so I'm gonna use it. As you know, I always use two curtains, a regular curtain and a shower curtain. The shower curtain is from Burlington. It's the same one that I have been using. Because the shower is not in use, I keep the same one. Let's move on to the toilet. Of course, my beautiful niece, Miss Kiara, is gonna be helping us today. The tray is from Burlington. And then we're gonna add a glam candle from Bath and Body Works. It smells really good. And a luxury spray. Yeah, I know I like to double up on the scent. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza. Ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza. Ain't gonna lose ya. And with a glam vase from Burlington, we're gonna be putting some napkins on them for my guests to wipe their hands. I switched my toilet paper holder for this gold one that I got from Amazon to match the fixtures in the bathroom. By the way, everything that I purchased from Amazon, link will be in the description box. Let me show you guys what I do with the toilet paper so they can look super cute and stylish. Under my tattoos, there's a remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza. Ain't gonna lose ya. move on to the countertop, I'm gonna be using a stand from Amazon. Next, we are adding soap and lotion dispenser from Home Goods. The gold pump, I got them from Amazon, pretty affordable. I will leave a link. In the other corner, I'm gonna be adding some pink flowers from Hobby Lobby to bring a different shade of color to the bathroom, and the glam vase to match the other vase on top of the toilet. This is from Bath and Body Works, super glam. The towel bar is from Amazon. I am using only 2 bath towels, but I set it up to make it look like I'm using more than 2. If you want to know how I fold the towels to achieve this look, please check out my towel folding technique video. Link will be in the description box. I'm giving it a quick steam to remove some of the wrinkles. The wall art above the towel bar is from Home Goods. Last night, after I was done decorating, I was not happy with my floor, so I've decided to add this floor that I purchased from Wayfair. I will upload a video telling you more about it. In front of the sink, I have this cute bath rug. No need for me to have additional rugs because, as I mentioned, I do not use the shower in this bathroom. For my trash can, I'm keeping this one from Home Goods. It goes with the lotion and soap dispenser. We are done. Let's look at the finished product. Okay, you guys, let's talk about this mirror, or should I call it the star of the room. It is gorgeous. Honestly, the video is not doing it justice. It is touchscreen. I love that about it. It has multiple light settings, perfect to do makeup. And my favorite thing about the mirror, guys, you know how after a hot shower you cannot see yourself in the mirror because it is all foggy? Well, this mirror eliminates that for you. Yes, you guys, it has the anti-fog feature. All you have to do, press the last button on the right before going to take a shower, and you'll be good to go. Everybody who comes to my house, men or women, fell in love with this mirror. It is a great piece for your glam home. Do not hesitate to check it out. I'm not saying that because it is a collaboration. I would have said the same thing even if I used my money to purchase it. Link for the mirror is in the description box. A big thank you to Hauschen for sending me this wonderful product. Yes, you guys, after all this dancing and steaming, I did not like the curtains. I returned back to my original curtains. These are from Amazon. My wonderful friends, please let me know what you think about my bathroom makeover. Which items did you like the most? The towel on the wall, the towel on the floor, or the mirror? While you're at it, please share this video with someone. And make sure you hit your subscribe button so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Thanks for stopping by. I will see you on the next one. Love always. Bye-bye. Mwah!